These are the LLC operating agreement mistakes I see most often, and most of them are completely avoidable. Mistake 1, using a template without customizing it. The operating agreement is not a one-size-fits-all document. State laws vary, your business structure is unique, and the dynamics of your ownership group are specific to you. Mistake 2, not having one at all. If you have an LLC right now with no operating agreement, please go get one. It doesn't matter if you've been in business for 5 years or 10 years and everything is fine. You need this document before things stop being fine. If cash flow or time are tight, a state-specific template from somewhere like LegalZoom is better than nothing. Just have a lawyer draft a tailored one as soon as you can. Mistake 3, the agreement is outdated. Businesses change, ownership changes. If your operating agreement doesn't reflect what's actually happening in the business, it is a problem waiting to surface at the worst possible moment. Review it every year or two and whenever something significant changes. Mistake 4, the agreement is ambiguous. Vague language, even if it sounds good, is almost worse than no language because it creates the illusion of an agreement without actually resolving anything. Reasonable compensation is not a number. Periodically is not a schedule. Specificity is your friend. Mistake 5, ignoring the what if it goes wrong scenarios. Nobody wants to be a Debbie Downer and think about death, disability, divorce, or deadlock when they're excited about launching something. But your operating agreement is the only time you'll probably agree on those rules without an emotional stake on the outcome. And don't assume that being friends or family protects you. Those are the relationships where things get the ugliest. I have seen best friends end up hating each other. I've seen siblings stop speaking to each other, and it didn't have to happen. Mistake 6, not getting it properly executed. An operating agreement is a contract and it must be signed by all members. Those signatures need to be dated. Notarize if you want extra protection. Mistake 7 is ignoring intellectual property matters. If members are contributing IP to the LLC, like brand names, inventions, creative work, software, trade secrets, your operating agreement needs to address ownership and licensing clearly. Who owns the IP, the LLC or the individual? What happens to it if the LLC dissolves or a member leaves? Can a departing member use it to compete with you? Who handles renewals and maintenance? These questions have expensive answers if you leave them unresolved. I'm Julie King with King Patent Law. If you're ready to protect your brand and business, book a consultation at kingpatentlaw.com. Avoid the legal horrors and keep rocking your IP. This is not legal advice, and I'm not your lawyer. For advice about your specific situation, consult with a licensed attorney. This does contain attorney advertising material. Firm address and contact information are available at kingpatentlaw.com.